You're looking at the Triumph Street Triple 765 RS. With an engine size of 765cc, producing 128 horsepower at 12,000 RPM. Max torque, 80 Newton meters at 9,500 RPM. This absolute weapon is running a multi-point sequential fuel injection. It's got a 6-speed gearbox, and all of these letters and numbers achieve a top speed of 150 miles per hour. For our springy boys, we've got some Showa forks at the front and an Olin shock at the back. Bosh! And you can adjust them as and when you feel like it. We've got some Brembo calipers kissing some twin floating discs. Basically, if you hit the brakes, it's going to stop for you. It weighs 188 kilograms and you can put about 15 litres of go-go juice in the tank. The seats are at a comfortable height and it can be adjusted for you short kings and queens out there. For our shoes, Pirelli have supplied some Diablo Super Corsas. There are 5 modes to suit any weather conditions or riding style. It's got an effective traction control system that keeps you safe on the road. If you want to find out any more information about this bike or want to look at more letters and numbers, have a look at Triumph's website. I'll put the link in the description. And now, a quick word from our sponsor before we crack on with the ride review. Okay guys, today we're going to do an unboxing video on the move. Let's go guys.
Are we going to do it while he's driving?
No.
Just a bit of playful humour there. It's got good suction on the windscreen.
Imagine driving to work and you just see 2 guys in a helmet in the car.
Yeah.
Safety first.
I'm trying to get it on camera, but I don't know where our camera's pointing. These are the instructions. 1. Clean it. That's not going to happen, unfortunately. Warm it up. We haven't got a way of doing that. Oh, look at that.
It's not going anywhere.
That's got anti-vibrationals in this one as well.
I'm being all sneaky because I'm getting my brother to do the sponsorships.
Yeah, he's just driving. He's not doing anything. Right, phone is on. Perfect. I think there's something at the back you can change. There we are.
Oh, there you go.
Modular. See, I can ignore Harvey and watch YouTube or something. Here's Harvey's phone. A more recent model, as he has more money than me. He has the maglock case, which allows for attachments such as a wallet thingy that has a card holder. But look how easy that was.
It's proper easy.
Idiot proof. So really good for Harvey. They did give us a wireless charger, but Harvey's forgotten to bring that, so we can't test that out. Quadlock, it's really good. Buy it, I think. That's what I'd do if I had a brain in my nut.
Thank you very much, Quadlock, for sponsoring the video. And thanks you guys for watching.
Sponsor me, Quadlock. I'm the one doing all the talking. Oh, wait, what video is this for?
The bike review.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. On to the Street Triple duo bike review thing.
Enjoy.
The final ride with my brother.
Ever.
No, not ever. With the Street Triple.
The Street Triple 765 RS. Get a shot because these bikes are pretty good lined up like this. Go on, mate.
Yeah, I'm going for a final ride with the Street Triple RS just to see, like, a little conclusion, to see my thoughts on it because I've been riding it over the last 3 weeks.
Yeah. Let's flip and do it, guys.
Let's flip and do it, guys. This is going to be epic, guys. Vroom, vroom.
Yeah, my is small.
Yeah. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Right, when are you starting the review process then?
I don't know, not right now. This is the process.
Oh, okay. Welcome to the process, guys. Today we're processing the Triumph 765 RS and it's going to be good.
Enjoy the process.
Enjoy the process.
So this is the exact result of doing a bike review for the very first time and making it up as we go along. Zero plan. It's very autumnal. I'm loving these colours. I know this has nothing to do with the bike, but...
Well, actually, if you think about it, Harvey, I'm going to give my 2 cents on this matter.
Okay, yeah.
You've got a yellow bike, I've got a red bike. Together, that makes orange, mate. Never really thought about it like that, but it's giving autumn.
It's giving autumnal vibes.
It's giving fall.
It's giving fall vibes. Literally.
No, literally.
So I've got to give the street dribble back tomorrow. Lastminute.com, we're going to go out and go for one final ride. Well, I'm going to go for one final ride on it with Humphrey and kind of let you know my thoughts.
He's going to let you know, guys.
Over the last 3 weeks, we're actually on the back skirts or outskirts of Dorking.
If you live around here, feel free to comment as much as possible.
Are we going to take out this Mini and go for it? Full send? No, there's cars.
Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I'm shaking.
You're such a scared. Oh my god. Newdigate is actually where we grew up. Fun fact.
That's just so fun.
Full send. On the brakes, send it round.
Dirt in the road.
Oh, that was horrible. Oh, my eyes are watering because of the wind. And it's just so emotional. So the Triumph Street Triple.
It's flipping 2 wheels. Engine.
It's got it's got an engine and
Couple brakes. We can buy it, dude. Why not? Use Harvey's code for 50% off for Triumph.
Use code Harvey for 99.5% off your Triumph.
Just go get one. Woo!
So Humphrey, the Triumph Street Triple.
Yes. It's for the street. The triple refers to the 3 cylinders it has.
Going left here.
Go left here, guys. Keep us updated. What road do you think this is?
I'm telling you.
No, just saying. Road. All the way back there, guys. Questions. I should have thought of some questions before coming out, really. It looks very nice. I like the headlight, actually, even though some people probably don't.
The headlight has grown on me. I wasn't quite sure I liked it, but it's 100% grown on me and I actually quite like it. It looks like a wasp. The colour as well, I really like the colour. I've never thought about getting a yellow bike, but the yellow on black looks so nice, and it's got this pearlescent sort of sheen to it. In terms of using it, the more I've used it, the more I've liked it, especially for what I do. So because I'm commuting in London all the time on motorbikes, the bikes that I own are really heavy, so they're 220 kilos. This is a lot lighter, so flying around town commuting on it, it's really nice. Manoeuvring it around traffic and filtering on it, and in London in general, it's been a hell of a lot nicer on this than it has been on the Triumph. The quick shifter, it has one, which I found out by accident. That has been lush to use. Hi. Morning. Despite it being a stock exhaust, the sound is actually, that's going on me. Have 3-cylinder engines got some sort of whistle?
Yeah.
Despite it being a stock exhaust, it sounds really cool. This particular edition comes with the Olin spring. I've got heated grips on it, quick shifter. It also comes as standard with these bar end mirrors. That thing is quite cool, so you don't have mirrors that stick out like bug antennas. but these actually stick out quite wide, so that a change I would make is having smaller mirrors slightly further in, because for whatever I use it for, basically commuting, it makes the gaps a bit smaller, because these sit out quite wide. I mean, they're fine for general use, but if you're using it in London, keeping on filtering quite a lot, then that's what I would change. But the pros is that the sound of it's really nice. I think it's more fun to go fast on a slower bike than it is fast on a fast bike, and this is perfect for this, because there's been a few times where I think I'm full sending it, or I am on this bike, I'm going quite quick, but then I look down and I'm actually not going that quickly, if that makes sense.
That makes sense to me, mate. I wonder what the viewers think.
The cons, what should I say the cons are?
A sporty stance, is it too sporty at all? The ergonomics, that's the word I was looking for.
The ergonomics and the stance of the bike is somewhere between, I'd say, an MT10 and a sports bike. So it's almost very similar to the Kawasaki in the fact that I'm not sat upright like an armchair and the handlebars are up here, much like my Triumph and maybe the MT09 or the MT10, or even your bike, the MT07. Whereas you're not hunched over like you would be on an R1 or an S1000 or something like that. So it's somewhere in the middle, but I'm not so far forward that it's a sporty bike position, or I'm up completely upright, because I've been daily using it to get to work. I haven't had any issues in terms of my wrist hurting or my back hurting or anything like that. In terms of the seat height, I like it. I mean, I'm 5'10" on a good day.
5'10" on a good day.
I've had no issues there. It's, as I said, manoeuvring it around, even when it's like off and you're manoeuvring around a garage or parking it, really easy, super light. Would I get one? Yeah.
There we are, guys. You get one, so get it.
100%. I mean, if I had the money and I was in the market and thinking about pushing the button on a bike like this, I would. You can tell the build quality compared to, if you don't mind me saying, Humphrey, the build quality on this compared to the MT07 is better. You can feel all the buttons are better, but I mean, you pay for what you get for. That's why Triumph is premium compared to Yamaha.
Alright, let's rub it in. The tyres.
The tyres, yeah, I would 100% change the tyres. So the tyres are really thin. The tyres I'm running are almost summer tyres, and I mean, the back has flicked out a few times, and the front, but it's just, it needs some Pilot Road 6s or Pilot Road 5s or something like that.
A more sport tourer tyre and less of a dedicated sports tyre. Yeah,
exactly. That's massive. That's a massive thing that I would change almost straight away. That would be number one. I'd go tyres first, tail tidy, mirrors, exhaust. That is it. Suspension's really good. You can tell it's good quality Öhlins. I mean, you can't go wrong compared to a stock spring. The heated grips are really handy in the when it's getting colder. Feel them.
Yeah, it's like proper wool, bruv.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it, mate? Nice toasty hands. If you're looking at the sort of the MT range and you've got a bit of extra money and you're looking at the Street Triple or the XSR, or what's another equivalent?
I mean, an MT09 is pretty comparable. Oh, like a CBR 650R from Honda.
It's a bit like Marmite, I think. If you like the front headlight and you like the look of the bike and you've got the extra money, I think it's a hell of 100% worth it. So there you have it. I didn't really want to go on for too long and harp on about the bike and this, that and the other. I mean, I've highlighted the stats in the sort of speed run montage thing we did. But yeah, really cool. It's grown on me. The more I've ridden it, the more I've liked it. I love the details through here on the cowl. The headlight's completely grown on me. The colour is amazing. The RS logo, the black on yellow theme, super cool. Yeah, really nice.
It's got Brembos on it.
Yeah, Brembo. We'll cover that in the speed run montage.
That's covered, guys, don't worry.
But yeah, the headlight as well. It's really cool. And it does get a bit of attention, especially with the yellow. It actually looks really cool with the red on yellow.
It goes well together, doesn't it?
That was a bit accidental, but yeah, it looks cool. Yeah. There you go. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye guys. Been a pleasure.
Any last closing thoughts, Humphrey?
Where are we?
Yeah, where are we? Do you know where we are?
Leave a comment and have an argument.
If you've got one, let me know what you think.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
There's probably loads of things I miss. I don't actually know much about bikes. I just like riding them. So I mean, yeah. There you go. Okay, goodbye. Love you.
Bye.